Welcome everybody, coming to you with some XCN tonight. It's 9:11 p.m. It's the 26th day of January 2026. As we can see right here, I got some trend lines drawn out here. We was up above the trend line, and right here where it crossed, we jumped up to 00800, and we've been coming straight down, in an angle. We dropped down below this upper trend line. We got a lower trend line here, and we just consolidating. We're waiting on a break above this line right here at 00647. If we can make a break above this line, we can get back up above this trend line on the upward trend and move up. So if we can't hold and get above this trend line I got here, it looks like we're going to be coming down. Looking for Bitcoin. This building, it's got some good structure. We get over here and everything's correlated with Bitcoin. I know you be like, man, he's always talking about Bitcoin, but let's see where Bitcoin and we can see right here, Bitcoin is building some momentum. I wanted to show you this. It's the Coinbase Bitcoin Premium Index. And what we dropped down, but if you see right here on the discount, we moving up. We need to get back up here at a premium on Coinbase for Bitcoin. This right here tells you basically where Bitcoin, the price of Bitcoin's headed. If you see it down here in the red, it's not no good. Let's get back up here and we'll get over here and we'll look at Onyx Coin. Onyx Coin is consolidating. I feel like, it seems like to me, it's building some momentum. A lot of people forgot about XCN, but XCN's gonna come on. It's gonna come alive. As we can see, we pulled down on the day. We did get up one time, 006607. And we quickly come back down and we hit it back up again. Let's see what we on the spot volume. This is a good coin. There's some selling going on right now on the coin on the exchanges right now, and there's a lot coming on the exchanges also. So that's kind of not good for XCN. If you got a lot of tokens coming on the exchange, that means they ain't trading them, they bringing them back on the exchange to sell. And this is what we're seeing over here. But if we can get Bitcoin to move, we can rally, y'all. We can rally. I hate to come be the bearer of bad news, but we really need to see Bitcoin start rallying up. It fell down below. It fell down. It was up here at 00694, and it just seems like it just does not want to stop falling, y'all. Does not want to stop falling. Let's look at some indicators on here. Wherever they at, where'd they go? I don't want that. Where's the indicators at? Oh, Lord have mercy. They ain't gone. Where's my indicators go? We got that right here. Let's see what we had on the relative strength index. See, we was up at the bottom. We working our way up to the 50, getting rejected. We need to, but this is building some, getting back up here in the range where she was at before on the 1 hour chart. Let's see what we got on the 4 hour chart. It's not looking good. It's coming down. Even though it went into oversold zone, it come back up. It's still in a downward trend. It's not looking good, I'm telling you. Got up in the overbought zone and been steady trending down. what, I come down here to Florida, and I'm telling you what. See what we got on the 30-minute. We are making some higher on the 30-minute chart. We is making some higher lows. I'm just looking for anything that we can do, we can get right here. We're making some upward momentum on this on the 30-minute. Let me get rid of that. We're kind of making an upward trend, a slightly upward trend. We need to do more than this, and we're just making it's running top. So we kind of, if you look at it like this, you're kind of building a bull flag. You know what I'm saying? But it could go all the way 28, 29. 2 or 3 more days before we can see if we're going to break out or break down. But it's not looking good for let's see, let me go to the MACD. I just wanted to come and give you an update on it. I have no clue who's watching my videos. They sure ain't getting out there. I believe YouTube hates me. But we're getting up to the zero, getting rejected, coming back down. We're getting up above the zero, getting rejected, coming back down. But each time, as you can see right here on the histogram, we made a bigger pullback here. We're getting lesser and lesser on a pullback. So I feel like if Bitcoin can break out, XCN is building a type of hidden bullish momentum right here. This little bump right here up on the histogram. This right here got a little bit bigger, a little bit bigger and a little bit longer. As you can see on the negative, in the red side, in the red zone, it's got smaller and smaller. So we are building some bullish momentum on XCN. That's the 30-minute chart. Also, we need to get back up on the histogram right here. I'm fine with it coming down as long as it don't get back in the red over here on the negative side of the histogram. But we need to get back up in the high zone right here on the 1-hour chart. Still, it's not bad, but it could be a lot better. 4-hour don't look too good. It's starting to turn green, but we need it up in the green. We need it up in the green. And on the daily chart, we're just coming down. It's on the negative side, it is turning light pinkish, back lighter from red to pink. It's not so bearish right now. It's turning positive. But we need this pullback. We need to get back up in the green on the daily chart, to be honest with you. But I'm watching this. I got this graph here drawn out, and I'm just watching it, y'all. Seeing where XCN is going to go. As you can see right here, that's on the daily chart. Let's get back to the hourly chart. Lord have mercy. I hope this video ain't to the volume. I'm in the truck, and you may not hear me too good, and I got a cold. But it's trying. It just cannot get above this area of resistance right here. This level of support's holding in it right now. But we may have to come back down in there about 00617 and build a little bit more momentum, and then go on back up and get above this line right here. But that's where we need to get above. We don't need to keep pulling back. I'm telling you what, man. I know y'all discouraged with XCN. I am too, but it just, you got to have patience. I'm telling you, just hold. Just keep buying. Just hold. It's a lot cheaper now than it was way back several months back when we were being told it was going to go to 22 to 32 cents and some crazy numbers. But anyway, right now, oh, that mercy vein. Why in the world? Put that back. I don't know why that ain't locked, but it is now. Let's go back to the data chart. I sure miss it being over here on that 10 cent, baby. That 10 cent right there. That's back 22. I'd love to see it go to 10 cent now. Love to see it go to 10. Man, dang gone, man. There, it's right. It's up there. We need to go to 10 cent now. That's about 20x. About 20x. Yeah, we'll be doing good. Be doing pretty good. But anyway, I wanted to come and give you an update on the charts. Just keep holding. Don't worry about it. We're going to be all right. We might not make it today, but tomorrow, baby, I tell you, XCN's going to come back alive, and when it does, everybody didn't get in going to regret they didn't. And those of y'all that's holding, y'all going to be glad you did. But we got to endure the pain for a little bit longer. I'm just coming to tell you, I'll keep you updated on XCN. Y'all keep it good, and we'll see you on the next one.